oftentimes students who come into my class don't realize their potential until they're pushed to it. So I do have a high expectation of what I want my kids to do in class, because I believe they can do it, and they don't realize it until they're there. And I think that they get joy. You know, the hard work that they have to put into it, we call that pride. You know, the hard work that you put into it, no one can take away that feeling of joy when you actually, hey, accomplish something. And because I have confidence in them, we move them forward by, you know, cheering them on or moving them to a place of maybe that might seem uncomfortable to them. But if we can get through those areas, they're just gaining confidence. So you gotta keep it fun. You gotta keep it fun for the kids. Because I think there has to be an element of surprise for kids that age too. They need some predictability, stability, but they also can't have the same thing every day. That's, you know, I think the heart of teaching is you keep it fresh, stay focused on what you need to do, but it has to be varied, especially I think at the middle school level. I like the children to take ownership of things. We had a lesson, it was a history lesson, where I had children actually teach the lesson. So a 5th grade child just took ownership of that. And at that parent-teacher conference, when I saw his parents, and I said, he may be a better teacher than I am right now at this age. The amount of effort that he put into it. And fast forward to him through his high school days, he became a valedictorian, went on to graduate college, and is actually now a college math professor. I think us as teachers, to have those relationships and build those relationships, I mean, that means the world to us, and it fills our gas tank to keep going and keep, you know, trying to affect students through their learning. We need good educators more today than ever before. I truly believe that. And you don't know what impact you have on a daily basis. Your influence on children, on students, is felt. It's impactful.